but we believe in the strength of the people and our leadership. We also hope that with the successful completion of the ensuing national election, opportunities will be created to streamline the challenges which will be beneficial for the people. Inshallah, we shall overcome all challenges as we have done in the past. I would like to conclude with some verses of the poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. I hope you have heard all named Rabindranath Tagore. He was a great philosopher and a great inspirer also. Just let me find out. In Bengali, it is said, Jodio Sundha আসিছে মন্দ মন্থরে সব সঙ্গীত গেছে ইঙ্গিতে থামিয়া যদিও সঙ্গী নাহি অনন্ত অম্বরে যদিও ক্লান্তি অঙ্গে আসিছে নামিয়া মহা আশঙ্কা জপিছে মৌন মন্তরে দিক দিগন্ত অবগুণ্ঠনে ঢাকা তবু বিহঙ্গ ওরে বিহঙ্গ মোর এখনই অন্ধ বন্ধ করোনা পাখা. In English, I would like to translate it.